Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Charles at Chavit Experiences, and I just want to give an encouragement to any parents or students. You're getting ready to go to college, and you're getting to the point where you might have to sign some paperwork for the student loans. And I just want to use basketball to give y'all an encouragement. We just had the NBA Finals, right? Basketball and life are so together, in my opinion. We just had the NBA Finals, and guess what? No different than the NBA players. They have to play a season and then they get to the NBA Finals. It's no different than when you're in college. You don't have a season, but what you do have is something called a semester. And you work hard during that semester, and then at the end of the semester, you have your exam finals. So basketball and life, they go hand in hand together, in my opinion. Also, we just had the NBA 2025 NBA draft. Kudos to all the players that got drafted. They are about to live out their life dreams. They signed the contract. They got drafted by a team. And guess what? They're about to get paid, man. But when it comes to college students, you're about to get drafted. And what team are you about to get drafted to play for? I like to call it Team Student Loaners. As you can see with this jersey, Team Student Loaners, that's who you're about to play for. If you got to go to college and you sign that dotted line, you're going to be playing for this team called the Student Loaners. And that's the difference. So if you look at this basketball jersey, you see the word payments, and I got 0. Payments is the only way that you're going to win in this game called student loans. It's very simple. So be on the lookout. I'm promoting my new book. It's coming out July 15th. The Student Loaners. Are you a winner or are you a loser? Check it out. It's going to be on Amazon and Barnes & Noble and other platforms. But you got to get this book before you send your kids off to college to play the game, which the game of life is, going to college, trying to get that degree to make the money. Life is a game, and the biggest game that any person will ever play, this is my opinion and my truth, is going to be in the game of finances. So what I've done, I've combined my true love and passion for basketball, and I put it in a book. So check it out. It's coming out soon.